Why do we pursue simplicity? From the dawn of human craftsmanship, to the roar of machines, gears turning, processes surging forward, to the complexity on the way of material processing, works entangle. We ask constantly, why embark on the way of simplicity? We answer with intelligent production. From complexity to simplicity, harnessing power through simplicity. Creating a green, high-quality work environment. Processing day and night. We eliminate complex processes, giving every attempt the potential to succeed. Achieving greater benefits with simple, effective production models. In this new era, we unlock the power of intelligent manufacturing. Accelerating economic prosperity. Sharing the fruits of simplicity with society. Connecting with the future, we manufacture for new times. Creating stability with the pursuit of simplicity. Achieving high quality. Marching with Chinese manufacturing onto the world stage. ONGOAL Tech, making material handling simpler.